Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I have shared a lots of corner ideas. So this video is for coffee lovers. Cheers. Embark on a caffeinated journey with our latest video where we unravel a plethora of captivating coffee corner ideas. Transform a small space into a cozy heaven dedicated to your love for coffee, blending functionality with aesthetics. From minimalist setups to eclectic coffee nooks, we explore diverse themes to suit every taste and space constraints. Discover the magic of personalized coffee stations with innovative storage solutions for beans, mugs, and brewing essentials. Unveil the charm of rustic coffee corners adorned with reclaimed wood and vintage accents, or opt for a modern sleek look with streamlined design and metallic finishes. Our video delves into the world of creative dye projects, offering inspiration to craft custom coffee mug holders, chalkboards, minas, or floating shelves. Explore the synergy of colors and textures that elevate your coffee corner from functional space to a visual delight. Whether you prefer the aroma of freshly ground beans or the convenience of pod machine or ideas catered to diverse coffee preferences. So stay tuned for a delightful journey through design and functionality as we present a collection of coffee corner inspirations to awaken your creativity and enhance your daily brew ritual. I hope you liked today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Bye bye.